Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shén or shi step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. That's right. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as shén, means what, or shi, assorted, according to different context. For example, 不时 bush, 不时 name bush, 什么 what, who, for example, let him tell you what has happened. Let him tell you what has happened.让他告诉你。让他告诉你发生了什么事情。事情。Let him 让他 tell you 告诉你发生了什么事情。Let him tell you what has happened. 让他告诉你发生了什么事情。shén or shi in cursive. shén, what, shi, assorted, 不时 bush, 什么 what, who. Let him tell you what has happened. 让他告诉你发生了什么事情。Please comment any sentence with the character 时 or 神. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.